Now looking into a pollution event or sewage spill. Now on a regular basis, there is an article around this subject. It's one of the water industry's key problems, not only creating a lot of damage to the natural environment, but leaving a negative sentiment amongst the populace that water utilities serve. SAM4 was able to address this challenge via its automated clogging feature on submersible pumps within sewage pumping stations, which is quite distinct to semotics. Now, remote real-time detection allows for corrective actions to be taken before the situation has more serious implications associated with a completely clogged or tripped pump. This further reduces the costs and the risk of pollution events, but it also mitigates the risk, or the need, to employ a more capital-intensive strategy, such as an improved shredder or grinder technology. And as a result, we can see here that with a single water utility client over the course of a year, more than 50 cloggings were solved, with more than 10 major pollution events being prevented. Beyond this, a significant saving in potential water violation fines, as well as reducing the number of trips to remote pumping stations by a staggering 20,000 times. And that in its own right, reducing the number of check-see visits not only allows to maximize your maintenance efforts, but also significantly reduces maintenance costs.